Let's go by vehicle.
And are you ready? Is it recording?
I am watching that damn show.
Repeat after me. Your new nickname is Snitzel Van Wagenbooten.
Snitzel Van Wagenbooten.
Damn it! Why'd you have to
Snitzel
fuck up
Van
before
Wagenbooten?
the damn working hard? Yes, Nate's new nickname is Snitzel Van Wagenbooten.
Can I just call him dipshit?
No, it's Snitzel Van Wagenbooten.
Spell it.
Dude, I'm just gonna call you Snitzel, cause...
No,
He's got a case of the schnitz.
SNITZLVANWAGON.
Did you just spell wagon? You just spelled wagon.
Snitzel Van Wagenbooten. Wagon is in there.
Just call me the wagon.
I just call you the shit.
No, it's not
Fuck
shit.
you, bitch.
It's Snick.
Dude, the
Snitzel
shit.
Van
Schnapps.
Wagenbooten.
Schnapps. Schnapps.
Schnapps.
Schnoop.
You just need to shut the fuck up.
Kids, this is why you don't do
Dude,
drugs.
where is that bitch?
What is it?
It's a fucking vampire.
Give him this one. See him?
Do you?
Yeah, he's on top of the speaker.
You can see that?
Yeah.
What the fuck are you guys talking about?
Oh, I can't see it there.
Seriously.
Dude.
Hey, jump up there and catch
Catch what?
it. The noise box! The noise box is what we're trying to catch.
What the fuck is a noise box?
The thing that's squeaking.
Why is the speaker squeaking?
It's a noise box. It's programmed to do that.
Make random noises when you oh, see a frog.
Now TJ says it's a fucking frog.
Okay.
A
come right
vampire
here,
frog?
Come right here, and you can see the top of them.
No, fuck no.
I might have to put that a little bit. I was back. I was gonna give you. Oh, it is up there. Man, how did you see that, Joe?
Is it seriously a frog?
Yeah, you're gonna eat it.
No, I'm not.
Hey, the white one can look and make it
Anna, are you
snake.
still video recording? If it's a fucking frog, get up there and get it. Whoa, it's really a fucking frog.
Catch it.
No!
Where'd
No!
it go?
No, seriously. I will have a fucking heart attack.
Jump.
Oh.
Again.
How many 18-year-olds have heart attacks?
You want?
No.
Snitzel Van Wagenbooten.
No!
Snitzel Van Wagon Doodle?
No! Snitzel
That's
Van
what
Wagen.
looks so funny. Stuck a feather in his butt.
You don't like.
I need to work up.
Stop! I need a lighter. I need a lighter. I need a lighter. No, Joe, please, seriously, don't. Please don't. No, 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 no!
Here, Joe. No, come here. Joe, no. That dog, sit.
Look away from me.
Here, give it to me. There's nothing in this fucking room.
How the fuck am I supposed to know?